Produce the blueprints. Require wooden blocks measuring 12 and 1.65 in. Measure the width of the wooden block. Select a 1.65-inch wooden block. Draw the center line on the wooden block. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Bring out the framing tools. Place the wooden block into the frame tool. Push the sliding piece so that it presses tightly against the wood block. Tighten the screws on the slide plate. Reinforcing screw. Turn the frame tool upside down and insert it into the wooden block. Adjust the width. Tighten the screws on the telescopic rod. Reinforcing screw. Take out the wooden block. Take out the framing tool and adjust it as you insert it. Secure the screws using an electric drill. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Repeat the above steps to secure the screws. After installation, remove the tools. Check if the length is correct. Check whether it is a right angle. Completed.